Is AI your friend or foe? In the shadowy corridors of modern technology, the rise of artificial intelligence, AI, feels like the opening act of a psychological thriller. We stand on the precipice, caught between awe and dread, wondering whether this creation of our own ingenuity will lead us toward enlightenment or destruction. The question is no longer whether AI will shape the future, but whether it will serve us or enslave us. Is AI a helpful companion to humanity's quest for progress, or a looming threat poised to reshape society in ways we can't yet fathom? The promise of AI, innovation or illusion? AI has become the new frontier of technological advancement, a system so advanced that it seems to walk the fine line between magic and logic. It's a symphony of machine learning and neural networks, capable of analyzing immense volumes of data and delivering insights with speed and precision far beyond human capacity. The possibilities seem endless, and many view AI as the ultimate tool for progress. Take healthcare, for example. AI is now capable of diagnosing diseases faster and more accurately than most doctors, analyzing complex medical images, and even predicting outbreaks of pandemics. In finance, AI algorithms optimize trading strategies, prevent fraud, and identify lucrative investment opportunities that would take a human mind months, if not years, to uncover. AI's predictive power is shaping everything from weather forecasting to supply chains, ensuring efficiency on a global scale. Yet, despite its many marvels, there's a creeping doubt that the promises AI brings may not be as idyllic as they seem. After all, who controls these technologies? And what are their real intentions? What does it mean when algorithms decide what media we consume, what job applicants get hired, or even which criminals receive parole? For all its benefits, AI operates in the shadows, quietly influencing every corner of our lives without us fully understanding the consequences. The dystopian undercurrent: what happens when AI goes wrong? For every triumph AI has achieved, there are countless instances where it has gone terrifyingly wrong. AI is an invention devoid of empathy or ethical consideration. Its logic is relentless, and while it can execute tasks with precision, it lacks the human intuition to discern the right course of action. If given the wrong instruction or corrupted data, AI can become a malevolent force, amplifying biases or making catastrophic decisions. Think of autonomous weapon systems, machines capable of making life and death decisions without human intervention. In the wrong hands, or even in a malfunctioning system, such technology could trigger unforeseen chaos. The same could be said for AI-powered surveillance. Governments and corporations alike use AI to monitor citizens in real time, invading privacy on a scale once reserved for Orwellian fiction. AI can track your movements, predict your behavior, and even manipulate the information you see, leading to a society where freedom and individuality are slowly eroded. Then there's the issue of biased algorithms. AI learns from the data it's fed. But what happens when that data is riddled with human prejudices? We've already seen AI systems in criminal justice and hiring practices reinforce racial and gender biases, systematically disadvantaging minorities. These issues point to a fundamental flaw. AI reflects the imperfections of its creators, magnifying them into a global problem. The quiet shift, a new power dynamic. Perhaps the most chilling effect of AI is not its overt malfunctions, but its quiet influence on how society operates. AI has already begun to restructure the world in ways we're barely aware of, subtly influencing everything from personal relationships to political outcomes. It plays on our subconscious, learning from every click, every purchase, every interaction, and molding its responses accordingly. Social media algorithms, for instance, are powered by AI that feeds you content based on what you've liked, shared, and commented on. At first glance, this seems harmless, even helpful, a curated experience that caters to your preferences. But over time, these algorithms create echo chambers, limiting exposure to diverse viewpoints and reinforcing confirmation bias. What we see as convenient customization is, in reality, a form of subtle control. AI dictating the scope of our worldviews. AI's integration into the workforce is another profound transformation. Automation promises efficiency, but it also brings uncertainty. From factory workers to accountants, millions of jobs are at risk of being replaced by AI-driven systems. Entire industries may be redefined, leaving humanity to question its own relevance. When machines can perform tasks once reserved for human intellect, What becomes of our role in the labor market? Will we adapt, or will we find ourselves at the mercy of a world increasingly run by algorithms? Friend or foe, the delicate balance. In this intricate dance between human and machine, it's tempting to cast AI as either savior or destroyer. But the reality is more nuanced. AI, in its essence, is neither good nor evil. It is a tool, a reflection of the minds that create and use it. Just as a hammer can be used to build a home or wielded as a weapon, AI's impact depends entirely on the hands that guide it. For AI to become our ally, we must exercise vigilance. There must be ethical frameworks in place to ensure that AI is used to uplift humanity, rather than subjugate it. We need transparent governance, diverse voices in AI development, and a collective understanding of the potential risks. Technology, left unchecked, has the capacity to spiral out of control. Yet if guided with wisdom and foresight, AI could become a transformative force for good, a friend rather than a foe. In the end, AI's future, like the future of humanity itself, is unwritten. The question is not whether AI will reshape the world, it already is, but whether we will guide that change toward a future that benefits us all. Like the characters in a Kubrickian narrative, we are left to navigate the tension between our creations and ourselves, hoping that we remain the authors of our own fate. What do you think? Comment down below. Attracting minds, over and out.